nice front yard, carport. And there you have storage / washing area, hot and cold water, double doors on the entrance, open concept. Granite countertops in the kitchen, dining area. Some parties on the outside. People can take a look at the open house, some nice music going on. Here you have the first guest bedroom. By the way, this property is about 171 square meters property land on about 171 square meters built up on about 494 square meters property land. Let me take you to the bathroom. You need to use the bathroom? Go ahead.
Alright.
And we have the guest bedroom. And you have some people over, or if anyone has kids, this could be a nice bedroom, I think, for anyone. I'll put a TV up here, have my PlayStation going on. And then over here you have the master bedroom. This is a large bedroom. Also has its own bathroom.
Walk us through it.
Now what I like about this bathroom is that I can actually put myself and 2 other women in here and all of us can shower together. Basically it's very nice, all the way tiled up, all the way to the roof. Over here you have a walk-in closet. Right now it's storage, but it actually has to be used as a walk-in closet. The owners are from the United States. When they are abroad, they make sure to put all their stuff in there and then they jump in their plane and take off. I'm gonna take you guys to the back. There was one party going on the outside.
Cheers.
Cheers. Nice area to relax, outdoors, mango trees, very well landscaped. And then back here, right now it's all fruit trees and different types of trees, but I would actually put something on the out here, maybe even a hang mat. And I'd be chilling out here. The breeze passes really, really smooth back here. On Sunday afternoons, maybe with a hookah, some wine. This is the place to relax. And basically that's it, guys. This is Catiri 29B.
What's the asking price?
The asking price is $460,000. We just reduced it from $475,000. And do not be afraid to make an offer because these sellers are motivated and they want to get this home sold ASAP. So contact me, Geremi at bestbuyrealtyaruba.com, 562-0522. Holla at your boy.